Hey guys, this is the project that I've been working on for the multimedia programming course, and it's a platform where people can rent out their storage and where people can find places to store their things. And so I'm just gonna go through as if I were someone maybe looking to rent out my storage. All right, so if I'm looking for some a place to for someone to rent out my storage or to use my storage and make some money out of it, I wouldn't necessarily be looking at the map. I just go here to Ulai, which means rent out. I just recently translated this to Danish because I thought I wanted some Danish people to use it. Um, so I press on rent out, and then it says, well, I have to sign in to rent out. So I have a user already, or you can make a new user. Let's make a new user. Sign up here. Let's Georgios. Uh, I'll just use my mail or something. All right. Email already existed. Uh, okay, let's go again. Uh, all right, so Georges, you now have an account on my website. um, anyway, so then we can go back to rent out, and we can type in what's our address. Um, let's pick an address somewhere random. I'm sure there's somewhere called Mountain Street somewhere on the street 23. Telephone number 90 90 90 90. Space, how much space do we have? Um, let's say we have 200 square meters. How much do we rent it out? How much do we want to rent it out for? Oh, 1,000. Actually, put full screen. And I just put like a recommended price. The idea was to have an algorithm based on the location to sort of show what it's worth. What date do you want to rent it out? Let's just fill this in. All right. So now that you've inserted this, um, this goes into a Mongo database, and at the same time, it's also registered in the map which was early in the website. So let's say I'm somebody who's uh, who's looking for a place for my stuff, right? So then I can go here and I can see, oh, okay, there's these two people in Copenhagen, but what about, let's see, there you go. There's Georgia Storage in Mountain Street or whatever it's called. It's in Grimsby. Anyway, so I can go here and I can request storage. Um, I have to log on to request storage first, but for some reason it for some reason. Okay, let's just make a new account to Joe. What's my email gonna be? So now I'm somebody looking for space, and then I found out that Georgia's has a nice place over here in Mountain Street. So I'm gonna request storage, and you see, because I'm signed in, all of these get filled in automatically, and then I can pick, when do I actually want to rent this place out. So let's just fill it up, some numbers, and there you go. So now I've requested this person's storage, uh, um, and then let's log back into George's account. Uh, Spanish. Okay. And then you can see who's interested in your storage, and then you'll see that Joe was interested in your storage, and so yeah, you can then accept or decline based on that. I haven't, nothing, the buttons don't do anything right now, but this is sort of the project that I've been working on for the past few months. Yeah. Just a bit about the, the, the platform. It was made in JavaScript and HTML using a framework called Meteor. And you can have a look a bit at the file structure here. I've split it up so that there's the client side, there's the server side, and then there's both where I have stuff like the collections, you know, a bit about the collections, registering the storage and stuff like that. So yeah, that's my project. Oh, just a quick thing I forgot to mention. Um, I made this thing because I thought people might not know how much their items they fill in storage. So I made this thing where you could type in, well, I want a chair. How many chairs do I have? I have 10. And then it'll tell you how much space you need for your stuff. And right now, I mean, I think I only have chair in there. Yeah, there's no other matches. But the idea is to update this database. So if I just go localhost 3000, then I can update database. So this is for me to go in and update. Well, I know that Coca-Cola fills up 100 meters or something, and then I can submit that. And what else? Maybe let's see, chocolate. Maybe let's use realistic items. What about I don't know, a bed. Bed has a volume of 10. Okay, this is failed programming. I'll fix that later. Big bed. I really need to fix this. What else? Television. 100. Alright, so yeah, now I should be able to go here and then I can type television. How many televisions do I need? One. Well, that's 103. Oh, another thing, it filters the map as well based on what you need. So you can see there's nowhere with room for 3 televisions, but with one, you'll see that George's has plenty of space for the TVs over here, right? But 3 televisions, nowhere. 0. Yes, they all have rooms for 3 televisions. What about chairs? I have room for 2 chairs, 1 chair, 4 chairs. Well, okay. There you go. Alright, so you can see the map gets filtered after the person's need, which was also something that I implemented.